right, everyone. Now, simply amazing. Congratulations. Cetaceans are a family of animals that include whales, dolphins, and porpoises. Did you know? Hippocamp! No? And yung isang kanina pa sweet ng sweet, yung pinakamaliit, ang pangalan niya po ay Sisa. Alright, now dito po sa Ocean Adventure, we use passive reinforcement to train our animals. What that means, they get something they like in every good behavior. We give them toys and sometimes we play with them. But what do you think is their favorite reward? Fish, that's right. And in fact, they get lots of it. Right, guys? Right, syempre naman. Training is based on trust. We care very much about dolphin family and try to make their lives as full and rich as possible. Cetaceans are very social animals that live in a close family group, a lot like you and I do. Now here in Ocean Adventure, we have formed a very special family of dolphins. We have big, small, short, long, black, gray, young, old, and even covered with spots. Every one of them is a reminder of incredible living beings that make the oceans their home. So, do you want more? Well, we got it for you. So sit back, relax, let's celebrate our dolphin friends. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Cetacean friends! Well, we hope that you've enjoyed meeting our Cetacean friends today, that you have come to appreciate and understand what intelligent and sensitive creatures we actually are. If we could leave you with one lasting message, it would be this. Thank you so much, guys. They want me to remind you that they are here representing their cousins in the wild. And sad to say that as we see here, whales and dolphins are being needlessly slaughtered for food or fertilizer. Tons of marine animals die each year because of the weeds that weed out in the ocean and drowned by the fishing nets we carelessly leave behind. This is sad, senseless, but it is true. It's time for humans to respect and protect our fragile ocean and for all the living rivers that are lost to us forever. You get a difference by counting on you. What we our citation friends? Our animal trainers, myself, and the rest of the staff in Ocean Adventure, we would like to thank you for coming here today. Once again, maraming salamat po, and bye everyone!
Ito na tayo ng tanong. Oh, dapat.